how to create an LLC for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own LLC as a complete beginner. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to this platform right here, which is inkfile.com. So now you might be wondering what I am doing on this platform and what is LLC. Well, LLC is a type of business structure that stands for Limited Liability Company. This is perfect for startup and new entrepreneurs. So what happens is you can create your own business structure and you can create, limited liability company, which is known as LLC. And there are different, factors into it. And we create this business structure for our new business that we are building. So, as a new business owner, or maybe a person looking to create a new business, you might be looking for a platform to create your own LLC. Well, that is why we are here on inkfile.com. This is the platform that most of the people use, and it is a good platform to create your first LLC as a complete beginner. So, once you are on inkfile.com, this is the platform. It is a platform that helps you set up and manage your business and help you create your LLC. So the first step is going to be signing up with our LLC. So you can see right here, start your LLC now. So you can see right here, these are the different things that you need in order to get an LLC or to create a business. So, what happens is you are ready to create a new company, of course. You need the right structure for the company. Then you need a managing office, or you need an LLC, a structure for your company. And then we have you need to register it in US or whatever region you are living in your country. You need to register your company. That is the fourth step that is really important that we do. So to get started with your LLC, I will click right here, start your LLC now, and it will take us to register our LLC. So you can see right here, now we have to choose, because what happens is to start your LLC or to start any company on Inkfile, we need to choose, and then it will take us to get started with it, to select a plan and sign up. So we have LLC, we have S corporation, we have C corporation, and non-profit. So we want to go for LLC. We will click right here, and then we will select LLC, and it will take us to the pricing plan where we will be able to select our plan and get started with it. So once you have selected the LLC, you will simply select a state from here. So let's go with any of the state where you want to create your business. And so let's go with Texas. There you go. So now my pricing plan will show right here. So this is going to be the startup. This is where we start from. You have to select and get started with the plan, and then I will show you how you get started with your LLC. So this is the kind of like a first step to start. So we have a silver plan, which is going to be $300. This is for Texas. Let's say that if you were somewhere else, let's say you were in New Jersey. Let's find out. Okay, so the New Jersey plan is actually quite reasonable as well. So let's say I wanted to create my company in New Jersey. So I will click right here. Now we have a silver plan, which is going to be $130, and it is a one-time payment. So you don't have to kind of like go again and again and kind of like this is not a subscription. This is a one-time payment. So we have a package fee, and then a state fee is 130 actually. Then we have unlimited name searches. We have statement of organizer. Then we have a one-time payment $279, and it is going to be preparing and filling articles of organization. We have unlimited name searches, and we have IRS form. We have operating argument. We have banking resolution, lifetime company alerts. Then we have unlimited phone and email support, and so we have business banking account and business tax consultation. Then the next plan is $429, and you can see it has all the plan in the gold plan, all of the features in gold. And then we also have free registered agent. We have IRS form 2553. Then we have banking resolution. We have online access dashboard. We have business banking account. We have unlimited phone and email support. So all of the features are given right here. So let's go with gold plan because I think this one is pretty reasonable. Simply click on get to the gold package and then we will be able to create our first LLC. Now we have to add contact information. You will add your first name right here. Then we have to add our last name. Then we have to add our email address. So you will add your email address, then you will add your phone number. You also have to add your street address, your city, your state, and everything. Then you will click on next. So right here you can see that this is my plan, and then we have entity type and it is going to be an LLC. We have our banking resolution in here, and these are the different benefits that I'm getting. We also get tax saving benefits, so this is actually pretty amazing. And now simply click on next and it will take you to the next step. The next step is going to be state filling time. So this is the time that we have to add, like this is going to be a state filling time for our LLC. So you simply select that. If you want to kind of like get it done in 3 weeks, then this is going to be $0. But if you are in hurry and you want it to be done in 1 business day, then you will actually have to pay $50. And these dates are actually estimated based on the current state turnout time and are subject to change based on state processing. So it depends on your state as well. This filling time. So I can actually go ahead and wait if I want to. So I will click on next. But if you are in hurry to create your own new business and you want your LLC right now, then you can go and pay $50, and after that you will be able to get it done. So this is actually my order summary that is being prepared with everything. Now the next step is going to be the LLC name. You have to type in your LLC name. This is the company information, so you will add your company. Let's say just for now I'm gonna just randomly type in the social guide. Then we have the designator. You have to select designator. I am going with LLC. So this is going to be the social guide LLC. Then we have business type and industry. So we're going to be with internet and web based services. So I'm going to go with this one. Then we have a number of members, like how many members you have or how many owners you have. So I'm going to go with 5 for now. Then we have business purpose. So you actually have to write a brief business purpose in order to get your LLC. So you will need to, provide information about your company. So for now, I'm just gonna write the word video. I know it does not make sense, but I am just filling in all of the different, details just for you, so you can, go through these different steps once. Then we have enter keyword for your business. So this is really important. I'm gonna go with a website and online services. You will simply type in the keyword for your business. For example, if it's a hair salon, so you will write the word hair salon. If it's a a company, a business company, you will simply write the word business company. So this is it. If you have a restaurant, you will write the word restaurant. So that's how it works. Then we have company address. So here you actually have to add the address. If you have a business and professional address that you have created, for example, you have an office, a professional office, you will select right here. You will have to add your address, and it is actually going to cost you $29 to get the LLC for a professional business. And then we also have a use my own address. So if you want to use your own address, and then you will be able to select it, and then once you select it, then you can move to the next step. So once you select my own address, now you will add your address right here, and then it will be filled in. Again, the keywords, actually I did not write the right keywords, so I'm gonna go with business. They will actually find different companies right here, so you can find your company if it's registered, and then you can simply find your company, and then you can move to the next step. So now we have the premium package, so you can now upgrade as well, or now you can simply check out with all the information that you have, and you will simply get your own LLC with ink file. So this is how you can get started with ink file to get your own LLC. If you were totally lost and you had no idea where to get your LLC, how to get it, then now you have an idea how to do that. You can simply go to this platform and create your LLC right now. Of course, you will need investment for that, but I think the way I showed you, this will help you create your own amazing LLC very professionally. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to create your LLC. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.